Did you know that heavy PowerPoint users spend 2 entire years of their life formatting slides? That's right, 2 years. What if you get all this time back? Well, now you can, thanks to PowerUser, a productivity add-in for PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, which gives you superpowers to deliver better presentations and work up to 50% faster on Microsoft Office. Unlock dozens of powerful tools, saving you hours of boring work. A library of content packed with thousands of resources to design like a pro, including templates, icons, pictures, logos, maps, flags, charts, all in one place and customized to match your brand colors. You can also add your own content to the library, either just for yourself or for your entire team. Need to reorganize your slides? PowerUser will help you insert, resize, format, and align shapes flawlessly. Clean and organize your data easily in Excel, then visualize it with advanced charts. Easily connect your data between Excel and PowerPoint, and save hours by updating presentations automatically when the data changes in Excel. PowerUser also does magic by automatically formatting your presentations. Simply build your agenda slides and update them automatically. Before you share your presentation, automatically fix issues like inconsistent fonts and colors, misaligned titles, or missing page numbers. Don't waste any more time. Design outstanding branded deliverables with PowerUser. Ready to unlock superpowers? Install PowerUser in 1 minute. From now on, choose the right tool for the job.